Prabhupada's commenting here, so this is what I want to make a point about. Prabhupada has a special way of giving commentaries on the Bhagavatam or any scripture, on Krishna Lila, or any Shastras in general. Most all other Mahajans, Acharyas, like Srila Sanatana Goswami, and Sri Jiva Goswami, and Sridhar Swami Charan, Vishnu Chakravarti, and all the great commentators, they will discuss only the shloka, the meaning of the words of the Sanskrit verse, and the lilas and the tattvas, without connecting those tattvas or truths of the subject to the reader or the devotees. They stay on the subject and they speak to the reader or devotees. They stay on the book and the verse and the points therein. But Srila Prabhupada is the first commentator on Vaishnava Shastra, Srimad Bhagavatam and Gita. He's the first commentator to open up the Shastras for everyone's benefit by showing the relevance and usefulness of different teachings and leelas of Krishna for the modern people of today or now. So following Srila Prabhupada's lead, we try to do the same. So sometimes in our attempt to create the relevancy and create the meaning, to draw a message or the meaning or relevancy of the Leela and the teachings, well, we try to see a teaching in the Leela and share with others. And also we see sometimes other acharyas do this, rarely and occasionally. They make some philosophical point, although they never really contemporize it. You will see in Prabhupada's purport, he talks about the hippies or all kinds of things. At that time in 1970s and 68, 70, there were these different, he really talks about the politicians and many, many things. So of course this is the tattva vichara, the consideration of philosophical portent and meaning and application in our everyday lives. In other words, people often ask a question when they're beginning any new endeavor or reading any book or doing anything. Sometimes people ask, what's the benefit for me? What do I get from it? So I wanted to make that point.